There are two main ways to see which photos are backed up in Google Photos. If you're not familiar with Google Photos, it's super handy for keeping space free on your phone, because if you have a Photos app, the iPhone Photos app, oh, not that one, this one right here, and you take photos on your phone, they'll automatically be backed up into your Google Photos account through the Google Photos app. That's super handy. You'll see why I find that super handy in just a second. But once you're in the Google Photos app, scroll down, or if you're at the very top, you'll see your little profile icon up there. Tap on that. Tap on Backup. If this is toggled on, then your photos are backing up. And this is why I personally find this super handy. I currently have 23,700 photos and videos backed up to Google Photos. If you think that's a crazy number, you're right. I take a lot of photos and make a lot of videos. And if we tap on our profile picture again, and we go to Google Photos settings, and we tap on Backup, we can see which email address we're using for the backup. You can also set the quality of the backup, storage saver size, or original quality. And you can also decide whether you want to use mobile data to back up photos or videos. I have both of those turned off. So my backing up only works via Wi-Fi, so I save my data. So you turn those on depending what you need. If I go back a little bit, it shows how much space I have in total. So it's sort of how much space I have used, which is 924. Under account storage, it shows I have unlimited space available. How's that possible? I have a Google Workspace account, which gives me custom emails like my first name at domainname.com. And when you pay for Google Workspace account, which is not free, you also get Google Photos included. And I happen to have the unlimited version. I've also been with Google Photos for over a decade. So maybe I'm grandfathered into some kind of fancy account. I don't know. But this will show whatever amount of storage you have available. So inside of the app on the phone, you'll be able to see all the Google Photos and videos you have in there. But if you wanted to share them with somebody else, or somebody else in your family wants to have access, they might not be using Google Photos on your phone specifically, but they can just navigate there with the web browser. This can be done on a computer, on other phones, iPads, whatever. Just go to photos.google.com and it'll take you into the photos list and videos. You'll see this look kind of familiar because we were just here. And this is the web-based version. And if you tap on the stacked icon here, it shows the same profile picture, so you know you're in the correct account. If you don't see the same photos and videos as you do in Google Photos, you might have to log out of whatever Google account you're signed in on here and then log into the correct one. And then you'll see all the photos and videos that are backed up in your account. And this is a great way to save space on your phone. I save gigabytes and gigabytes and gigabytes of space. I have almost a terabyte of photos and videos in Google Photos, as you saw. But there's even more ways to save space on your phone. This video shows you 5 more places where you can find storage space on your phone. So make sure you check that out next. If you got value from this current video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on this one.